This book is Knucklehead, and it's named Knucklehead because this kid named John, I've never known how to pronounce it, Skanska? Shishka. It's a Polish name, and he comes from a Polish family because his grandparents have migrated from Poland, and they migrated from Poland. And he has 4 other brothers, and the names are, let me see here, it's a really, Jim, John, Tom, Greg, Brian, and Jeff, and they're all like around the same ages, but there's one that is the youngest one, and then so it's a really funny book. Every chapter it's a new thing that happens in his life. So one chapter, first part is that he introduces himself, and it's like him talking for himself and talking about other people. So it's him talking the whole entire book, and so one chapter is his mom and dad, and then about each of his brothers and that kind of stuff, and they're all very huge troublemakers. So that's why they call it the Knucklehead, because his dad is a principal for a school and his mom's a nurse. So his dad is very strict around the house. So so what happens is every time they get in trouble, he says stop doing that, John, you're such a knucklehead, or stop doing that, knucklehead. And so that's why they said Knucklehead. And then so it's a really funny book. It made me laugh 20 times, so I really recommend it. So